Kia ora I te whānau. Nau mai hoki mai ki Pukeroa pāho.
We've got another awesome week of stories to share with you, from helping our environment to earthquake drills and even a trip to Rainbow's End.
Let's get straight in it!
First up this week, we head to Tiki 3, where something sad happened last week. Their plants were stolen after school.
Namaste. In today's episode, we are here with Tiki 3, who have been working on an amazing tire project for our kura.
What things have you been doing as part of this project?
Picking up rubbish and looking after plants.
Fortunately, something wicked happened last week. Some of their plants were stolen after school. We're here today with Whai Magi's class to find out what happened and to learn more about the amazing mahi they've been doing.
What is your name?
Alex.
Okay, Alex, how did your class feel when you guys found out that your plants were stolen?
Sad and angry.
I feel the same.
What is your name?
Waverly.
And what happened to your guys' plants?
They got stolen from a bad person and we had to make some more.
How did your classmates feel when you saw that the plants were gone?
We felt
I
sad.
have a message for anyone who might know where the plants are.
Can you give our plants back?
Thank you.
We just want them back.
This was a sad situation. It's inspiring to see how Tiki 3 has turned it into something positive by continuing to care for our kura and environment.
Before we wrap up, a quick shout out. Happy Diwali to everyone celebrating. May your homes be filled with light, laughter and good kai. Namaste. Kia kaha Tiki 3. Thank you for sharing your story and showing us how to turn something negative into something positive.
Next, we're heading over to Tiki 8, who took part in the nationwide shakeout drill last week.
Shakeout is a national earthquake practice that helps everyone know what to do in case an earthquake happens. So you must drop, cover and hold.
Take a look at how Tiki 8 did in their earthquake emergency video.
It's an earthquake! It's an earthquake! Cover! Hold on!
Ka mau te wehi, Tiki 8. What an awesome job showing us all how to stay safe during an earthquake.
Now for something really exciting. Pukaki 18 and 17 have entered a competition run by Rainbow's End to celebrate the reopening of their pirate ship ride.
They created their very own promo video and have submitted it to the judging panel. If they make it into the finalists, their video will be shared on social media where the public gets to vote.
With the most likes and shares will win an all-access pass to Rainbow's End.
So here's your exclusive look at Pukaki 17 and 18's competition video. Make sure to keep an eye out on your socials, and when it's up, like and share to support our kura.
Can you tell me about Captain Esmeralda?
Of course I can. Rainbow's End had a ship, loved by all that stood over 5.5 fathoms tall. The year 17, her bow dipped out and crashed on the rocks of Monica Town. Hey! Da-da-da-da-dee-dee-dee-dee, our favorite ship sunk in the sea. Da-da-da-da-dee-dee-dee-dee, our favorite ship sunk in the sea. Balancing forth, new ship to pursue. Left calling the pirates towards the crew. Cross oceans and seas, our captain did wrong. In Europe she found a ship to bring home. Hey! La-la-la-la-dee-dee-dee-dee, the new ship is coming from Germany. La-la-la-la-dee-dee-dee-dee, the new ship is coming from Germany. New ship was grander than ever before, was crow's nest, big sails and seats of 5 score.
Oh, they would miss the Manuka bar. She called the ship Pacifica. Hey! Da 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 dee 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 dee. Pacifica's the best ship on the sea. Da 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 dee 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 dee. Pacifica's the best ship on the sea. Tears in her eyes, farewelling friends new. Esmeralda set sail to return to her crew. For freedom to since the ship does she bring. She'll shout land ahoy in the Aotearoa spring. Hey! Da 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 dee 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 dee. In spring they'll be sailing for you and for me. Da 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 dee 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 dee. In spring they'll be sailing for you and for me. Da 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 dee 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 dee. My favorite ship sunk in the sea. Da 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 dee 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 dee. My favorite is coming from Germany. Da 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 dee 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 dee. A vessel that's grand as can be. Da 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 dee 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 dee. And more than a little bit piratey. Da 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 dee 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 dee. Pacifica's the best ship on the sea. Da 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 dee 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 dee. Pacifica's the best ship on the sea. Pacifica's the best ship on the sea.
That was amazing. Ka rewe Pukaki. We're all behind you and can't wait to see how you go.
That's all for this week's edition of Pukeroa Pāho.
Mihi to everyone who featured in our stories this week and to all of you watching and supporting our kura.
Don't forget to like,
Subscribe.
and share our channel so more of our whānau and
Community can stay connected with Rotorua Primary.
Mauri ora and kia pai tō koutou wiki, and we'll see you next week. Rena and Diamond signing off.